Hello friends, welcome back to Azure 204 Hands-on Lab 01 Exercise 3. So this is the last exercise that we need to complete. So let's see what we need to do. So as part of exercise 3, we need to clean up the resources. Okay. So let's go to the so here is exercise 3. Clean up your subscription. Task 1 is to open Azure Cloud Shell. Okay. So here is Azure Cloud Shell. I'll click on this one. So Cloud Shell basically a terminal where you can write your commands just like Azure CLI. Just click on create storage. So basically this is going to initiate Cloud Shell under my subscription. Okay, now you can see it's initializing your account for Cloud Shell. It won't take much time, it should be quick. Now you see it's done. You have your CLI. If you want, just go and type the command add as a dash version to find out the version. So now you see two updates available and your version is 2.9.x. Perfect, right? So we are good. So task 1 is just to open the Cloud Shell. Okay. If you're doing for the first time, welcome. Okay, create storage, that would you completed. So we are done with the task 1. Task 2 is delete resource group. So enter the following command and hit enter. Okay, it says as add group delete. Oh, so basically we just need to delete the group, resource group that we created earlier. Let's go to the Cloud Shell and then we'll type the command here. I hope you guys can see. So here I'll type the command as add group delete dash g. I have to give the resource name managed platform dash dash no wait and then yes, hit enter. Okay, so now in the background it will delete all the resources. So and again it will take some time, and whereas sometimes like it will take a minute actually. Till then let's see what is there. Close the Cloud Shell, close the active applications, and then you are good to go. Okay, so wait for this to happen. Let me just go and verify whether we have anything in the resource group. I can still see the resource group is there. So maybe it will take a minute, so we should wait for a minute actually. Okay, now you see that we don't have a resource group called managed platform. It's gone. Now if you'll just go and look for anything else, you won't find anything. Let me just, now here you can see right that we have these many things, but if I'll refresh, reload, okay, now nothing is there. It's gone, deleted, right? So we are good here. So that's all about the task exercise 3. So we have completed lab 1. It's over, and as part of lab 1 we initially created a resource group, then we created a storage account, then we created a backend application, we uploaded blob like images, then we deployed a new code ASP.NET code to replace the backend API code, then we created a frontend application, we deployed again ASP.NET code to replace the frontend application, right? And then finally we cleaned up all the resources through Cloud Shell, right? So thank you and please subscribe my channel.